Hello, my friends. Welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, May 9th, 2023. This is Jennifer. We're hanging out in my tiny office today because the rest of my house is chaos, and I really don't have anything to show you guys. We have been packing, and loading a moving pod, and just preparing to move. We did have a family emergency over the weekend. Iliad started feeling poorly Friday night, and by Saturday morning he was just not doing well. So we took him to the emergency vet. He was there all weekend. I picked him up yesterday afternoon. He has improved, but he's still not himself, and we're keeping an eye on him today. And I did talk to my personal vet's office yesterday, and if he is not a little bit more himself by noon today, which is like 45 minutes from now, I'm going to call my vet because I'm not happy with his progress. So I'm very stressed out. I'm very tired. I'm sore. I'm all the things that you are when you're moving and also have like a sick kitty. The primary thing that I have done recently is to undo things. I disassembled my quilt frame. I packed up my Qnique. I broke my frame down in a way where it can be transported, and as many parts that are as flat as possible while leaving as much of it together as I could, which was not as much as I would have liked. Basically, the legs are still together and pretty much everything else is taken apart. So anyway, my frame is disassembled. My garage looks enormous now because half of my garage was my quilt studio area, and that is now empty. So anyway, it's just been packing, and taking care of my kitty who is sick and trying to figure out what's going on there. And, we're still finishing some paperwork, and we're still like coordinating moving because it happened faster than we anticipated. And yeah, so you guys, that is it. I really hope you post a video because videos are keeping me sane right now. I love you. I hope you have a good week. I hope you have a crafty week, and I will see you next week. Bye.